Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a mini unboxing. I got my Graze box in the mail today and I thought that I would go ahead and film it and show you guys what I got. I actually meant to push it back a little bit and I missed the date to do so. I also missed the date to change what snacks were inside the box, so I'm just gonna say up front that I probably won't like some of the snacks in here. I looked and some of them I would have definitely not have chosen at all. So that's my bad for not going in and checking early enough. But anyway, so I'm still going to go ahead and share it with you. So this is what the box looks like. And it has the 8 different snacks in here. I will link below a code for you guys to get your first tasting Graze box for free. So if you're interested, go look in the description box and I'll have that for you to use. So that way you can try it and you don't have to pay anything. So the first one is actually something that I think I will enjoy. So I'm glad this is in here. I actually really like their flapjacks. I liked them in my last box too. So for me, I think that these are really nice, and if I did purchase something individually or whatever, I think that this would be my choice. So this is the apple and cinnamon flapjacks. You get 3 of them in there. It's whole grain. It says rustic rolled oat flapjack with apple and cinnamon. So yeah, so these are nice. I'm actually looking forward to that one. And then the next one in here is one I probably wouldn't have chosen. This is peanut butter and jelly. The little jelly things in here, I don't know, they don't look so appealing to me. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them very well, but anyway, this is, it's got 7 grams of protein. It's salted peanuts, raspberry strings, which is probably what I'm not going to enjoy, and vanilla fudge. So the rest of it I might like, just maybe not the jelly part. And then this one I probably would not have chosen either, but it says it's not too spicy. So this is the not too spicy veggie protein. So it looks like that. So again, I probably wouldn't have chosen this, but I will definitely give it a try. You never know, I could be surprised and actually end up really liking something in here that I would not have chosen. This one is 140 calories and it's got jumbo chili corn, black beans, wild rice sticks, and carrot chips. Very weird combination in my opinion, but you know, I'll give it a try. I'll probably give all of these a try. At least. So I also probably wouldn't have picked this either, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So this is caramel apple, and then so caramel sauce with soft apple pieces. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would have chosen this, but I will try it and let you guys know what I think. Maybe I'll do like a little update of what I thought about all these. Now on to the bottom layer. So those were the first 4. And then this is another one I would not have chosen. This is the New York Everything Bagel. And this has 7 grams of protein. It has cheese, cashews, poppy seed, onion, sesame sticks, roasted pumpkin seeds. Yeah, probably wouldn't have chosen it, but again, I would give it a try. I don't know, like I said, there's quite a bit in here that I would not have chosen. Like so far, the only thing I would have chosen was these flapjacks. I know, but you know what? It's getting me to branch out and try different things. I look at it that way. So this next one, I definitely wouldn't have chosen. I don't care for cheesy stuff. But I don't know. Again, we'll see. This is the cheese board. It's got, oh, let me show it to you. This one doesn't seem like it has much in it. Okay, so it's cheese flavored almonds, cheddar bruschetta, Gouda puffs, and cheese flavored cashews. This might not be my favorite. Oh, and this is 110 calories. This is one I definitely wouldn't have chosen. See, you got to check before so that you can customize it because you'll be happier. This is cherry, pear, and walnut anytime energizer. I don't like cherries, and I'm not a huge fan of walnuts either, but I'll give it a shot. Get a kickstart with this good source of copper and manganese for energy. This is a really cool subscription, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually cheaper to do it this way than to buy it in the store because I have checked this out at the grocery store and it is cheaper this way. But this is all, and it's all personal preference too, so don't take offense to anything that I'm just saying that I might not like. I'm a little bit of a picky eater, so this is sweet and spicy beet crunch. Yeah. Has beet chips, jalapeno chickpeas, and sunflower seeds. I'm not sure I would like this at all, but we'll see. So it has fiber and it has 4 grams of protein in it. So that's everything. Those are the 8 snacks that I got for this month's Graze Box. If you want any more information on it, I will leave a link below. I believe it's like $14 for one of these 8-piece snack boxes, and you can choose what you get, kind of a thing. Like, I should have and I didn't, so that's kind of why some of these things I wasn't super happy about. But anyway, I think this is cool. This is my first time doing an 8-pack box. So yeah, kind of interesting, you know. I'm definitely gonna try them out, and this will be good for work for sure. Out of all of the ones that I showed you, which would you say would be your favorite? I'm interested to know because I know we all have different tastes and we like different things, so I'm just curious what you guys would have been excited about if you would have gotten these flavors in your box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are interested, I have the link for the website and my code down below to get a free box. So why not try it out? It's free. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Bye!